Okay, go. You ready?
I took a picture.
Okay, is it on video?
He doesn't know how to switch.
Okay, it's on video.
Is it started?
Yeah.
I accepted the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge
Me
from
too.
Kathy Parker, you little butt. This time, I'm going to do it. But I also want to nominate Grandma Meyer from Kansas City, Robbie Palmer, Becky Bushy, Cheryl Redding, and Sandra Rodriguez. You have 24 hours to accept this challenge or donate $100. Be easy, Chris. Go. Come on.
Any final prayers?
No. Get it over with. Oh, bitch. Stop.